Good morning or afternoon or night, whatever time it is for you there. I just wanted to make a quick recording here to talk a little bit about the grading in the rubric so that we could all be on the same page about that. This is specific to the medical anthropology class. Okay, so this is related to the discussion board specifically. So the discussion component, as you saw from the syllabus video, is for the rest of the semester, if we stay online, is worth 25% of your grade. Each week, the discussion is worth 5% of your grade because that's kind of the main way, it's rolling classroom discussions, being present or attending, and discussion boards all into one. So this is where the main sort of thinking and analysis and engagement and community takes place. So the total points for each week on the discussion, this is going to be my rubric for it, is that you get 6 points, one for each substantive post. You get 3 points, one for each day of participation, because I want you participating on at least 3 different days. You can dip in every day and participate in the discussion, and I hope you do, but at least 3 days. And then there'll be 12 points total for quality of post. That breaks down to about 2 points per post, but I'll show you the rubric and what that's going to look like over the course of all the posts. That's how I'm going to be grading that. In terms of the frequency, the points, the points will be for 6 posts that have substance. So if you just reply, and I encourage you to, just reply and say, I love this point, thanks so much. And that's not going to count as one of your 6, but I encourage you to do that just to keep the flow of the conversation going. Okay, let me show you the rubric, which is down here. Okay, so this is for the MedAnthro class. Like I talked about, required to have a minimum of 6 quality posts per week, spread over at least 3 different days for full credit. So there's 3 elements: response frequency, response distribution, and posting quality. These ones are pretty obvious. Participating in the discussion 6 or more times in a week gets you the full 6 points, 1 point per post, max of 6 points. But so if you put 12 awesome posts, you're still going to get 6 for that. But please engage as much as you can. I would love to see that. I think it'll make the whole class run more smoothly. And then response distribution, participating in the discussion on 3 or more days in the week. So 1 point for each different day that a student participates for a max of 3 points. Again, that has to be 3 days where you're participating in a substantive way. And then posting quality. So you get 11 to 12 points if student comments add significantly to the discussion by suggesting other solutions, asking questions, pointing out problems, or even respectfully disagreeing. Student substantiates or provides evidence for any comments made with reasoning or a source citation. A quality posting is about 100 words or more. Sometimes there'll be a lot more if you have a really, idea that takes a little while to kind of get out. Postings demonstrate an excellent understanding of the readings and course materials as well as college level writing skills. So I'm expecting them to be well written, and I'm going to be looking specifically in this 12 points of the rubric for the fact that you're reading, that you're engaging with the readings in a detailed way, pulling out quotes, really grappling with ideas, comparing things across readings if that's relevant. 7 to 10 points is that the student comments moderately add to the discussion. I kind of explain why here. Student does not substantiate comments with reasoning or sources. So maybe you're making some interesting points, but you're not supporting them. Postings demonstrate a very good understanding of the readings and course materials, but may be somewhat shorter than required or may have minor errors in grammar and punctuation. I'm not going to actually be too particular about that, but I do want you to, be thinking about that. 1 to 6 points, student comments that do not add to the discussion. Student doesn't substantiate any comments with reasoning or citation. Posting is simply I agree, yes or no, demonstrates only a fair understanding of the readings, or maybe if you're supposed to read a few chapters and you only referred to one, if in the RHMA Rutledge handbook, if you only refer to one of the case studies, you only read one of them, this is how I'm going to know what you've been engaging with. So, and then you have lots of errors and it's poorly written. And then if you don't participate at all, obviously you get 0 points for the whole thing. So that is the grading scheme. I will be checking the virtual office daily. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, it'd be helpful for everyone if you post them there, or you can drop in Zoom on Thursdays, um, but from 10 to 11. But if you have a question you would like to ask me privately, you're welcome to use Canvas inbox or to email me, or I put my phone number on there. You can text me or call me or whatever works for you. I'm trying to make as many lines of communication available as possible. All right. Hope you're having a great day or evening. Bye-bye.